Acebeam L19 long-range hunting flashlight. Incredible range of 1.3 kilometers. Wanna see more? Keep watching. Hello everybody. Today my guest will be one of the coolest tactical flashlights on the market. It is Acebeam's L19 long-range hunting flashlight. Let's open the box and see what is inside. This is our gear. I'll come back to this later. Apart from the flashlight itself, you get this cool codex and your USB Type-C cable for charging the battery of the flashlight. And in this one you have some extra piece for this button here at the back of the flashlight, an extra o-ring, and this cool lanyard. You can attach it here, I think, on your flashlight. Nice. And we have these papers. Firstly, this is about the features of the flashlight. In fact, it has some cool features, but I'll come back to this later. You have this paper again. Acebeam thanks you. And the warning about the battery. And finally, your warranty card. Okay. As for the features, this cool one has some nice specifications, especially about the lumens. I don't know if you can read, but you have 1650 lumens on turbo mode for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you will have a range of 1.3 kilometers. You also have other modes as well, like high mode with the 870 lumens, mid 2 mode with 470 lumens, and mid 1 mode with 220 lumens. Besides, you also have the low mode with 60 lumens. It gives you 47 hours of battery life, and moonlight with 1 lumen, and incredibly 94 days you will have on your battery. There is also the strobe feature with 900 lumens and 3 hours battery life. So that was the boring part. Now let's see the gear itself. Okay guys, now we are in darkness and I will show you the capabilities of Acebeam L19 here right now. When you first get the flashlight on your hand, you'll see there are 2 buttons. This is the big one, the tactical button, and this is the standard use button. And the mode changing is made on this first little button here. Simply, if you press once, you start the device on low mode, which gives you 60 lumens. And And as you can realize, this green light here starts functioning when you start the device, and it shows you the level of your battery. When it is green, you are okay. When you have low battery, it starts lighting red. If you want to put it off, simply press once again. It's gone. Now, when it is on, if you want to change the mode to a higher level, simply press and hold. Now you have the second mode, which is mid 1. Mid 1 gives you 220 lumens for 12 hours. You wanna change again? Press and hold. This gives you mid 2, 470 lumens for 5 hours. You can see the beam here. Now we are on mid 2. I'll press and hold once. This is the high mode. On high mode, you get 870 lumens for 2 hours and 15 minutes. This is the highest mode except the turbo. When I press and hold again, you go back to the low mode with 60 lumens here. And press one more, it is off. Now, if you press twice, you get the turbo mode on this button here. This is the highest mode on this device, and it gives you the longest range of beam. When it is on turbo, you see the light is red. That means you cannot use it on turbo for a long time. Now we have 1650 lumens for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Incredible. Press once, it is off again. Another function of this button is it gives you the strobe mode. You need to press twice. And this is the strobe mode. The strobe mode has 900 lumens for 3 hours. Press once, it is off again. And the tactical button here, it directly gives you the turbo mode. Just press once. The turbo mode. The turbo mode gives you 1650 lumens for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I will show you the range of this monster on the field in night time. This is only for showing you how it functions and about the buttons and the battery and etc. But you need to check this beast on the field, and I will show you. Now that we are in the light again, I would like to show you the holster, the sheath as well. This is how it looks inside the holster, again by Acebeam. You can simply attach the holster, the sheath, on your belt with these instruments and carry it on your belt. As I said before, this is not an EDC item. This is more on the tactical side, or on the camping, hunting, or as the brand itself marketing the product, like for hunting, for your needs, you can use it for these functions. Look at how it looks on my hand. And this part here may cause minor problems when you are putting it on the holster, but still it's a useful one. And finally you have this lanyard. You can simply attach it on the back of your flashlight. Yeah, this is it. Now we have the lanyard as well, and I think this part is adjustable. Yeah, like this. With the lanyard and with the holster. Yeah, full protection. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching the unboxing and review. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.